What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, a lot of people have reached out to me and asked me if I'm now taking this time when we see things that are falling a little bit to buy into crypto. And it's always a tricky situation asking somebody that is already established in crypto whether they're going to buy into cryptocurrency at higher levels because it's difficult when you have it at such a low price and you don't want to average into everything that you own. You feel as though a lot of the things that you own, you want to be able to take profit at certain levels. And if you keep buying in, you're not going to be able to make any money from it because it's just going to come back down on you at some point, and then you're going to see it recover again in the next bull run and the next bear market and the next bull run. You don't want to be stuck in cycles with everything that you own. I can tell you for a fact that a lot of things that I own, I don't plan on holding all of them, if even any of it, during the next bear market, right? Because it's not something that I'm seeing a long life in. Maybe primarily the meme coins because they don't really have any type of major use to them. So in this instance, I want to say that I am done buying cryptocurrency. I'm not buying any dollar cost average into cryptocurrency. I'm not buying any more XRP. I'm not buying any more CRO. I'm not buying. However, I do have a standard buy for CRO every single day, $10 a day. But besides that, I'm not buying any of these dollar cost average, these bigger plays that I've invested into at lower levels. And I'll tell you the reasons why. I'll break that down in this video. I want to go through where the market is and then also explain exactly what I am doing at this current moment. So, guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to check out my link for Twitter, check out my link for Patreon. Those links are in the description. And also, I have a link for my partnered exchange, BTCC, who has the ability to leverage trade up to 500x leverage. If you sign up using my link down below, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus as well as get extra bonuses per user up to $10,000. Also 40% lower trading fees. So feel free to check out that link if you guys are very interested. Right now, for crypto, I know it's kind of weird to hear somebody that constantly talks about cryptocurrency and investing into these markets to say that I'm not buying any more crypto. And that's kind of putting it into two different areas, right? For me, a lot of my cryptocurrency on like Coinbase and MetaMask and Crypto.com and all of those, I have a lot of utility plays. I also have some meme coins. I have some meme coins that I bought at a low level. I have some meme coins that I bought at a more recent level, right? But majority of what I have, I'm holding at a very low cost basis, meaning that if I buy into it right now, if I buy more, I'm now raising my cost basis. And unless I'm looking to hold that forever or continue to average into that over time, it doesn't make sense for me to do that, right? No matter if it's XRP, no matter if it's Jasmine Coin, no matter if it's CRO or whatever the position is. But I do have leverage trading that I am doing. So I'm currently leverage trading, as you can see at some of these lows. It's great to be able to buy at a low and then see it progress back up to the higher levels that it was at, whether it's Ethereum or whatever. So I'm still leverage trading at the moment. I'm just not buying outright to hold for a longer period of time or even for a short term, like 3-month, 4-month gain. Like I'm not holding new positions that I'm buying today for altcoin season, right? I already currently have the positions that I have where I invested, let's say for XRP, at 50 cents. My average for XRP now is $1.22, but I don't want to raise that any more than where it already is. So let's show you where the market is today because we did see a recent decrease in the market and I haven't been live, so I apologize for not being here for the increases, for the decreases, for Bitcoin hitting 106,000, I believe. It may have gotten a little bit further. We'll take a look at that. But I've been busy with a lot of Christmas stuff and donations and charity work and all that. So I appreciate you guys, sticking around and being here. But let's look at the crypto market. Crypto market currently stands at 3% decrease on the day. It's $1.54 trillion market cap, and the overall dominance is at 57%. So we're still not truly in altcoin season yet. If we look at Bitcoin, it is currently at a $102,000 mark, a $2 trillion level for a market cap. Ethereum has recently decreased. It's down by about 4%, $3,695. XRP is at $2.39. You can see BNB that's at $700. Solana's at $209, and so on and so forth. You see a lot of things that are falling, right? Dogecoin, Tron, and Avalanche, everything, right? So I decided in this instance that I'm not going to purchase any new cryptocurrency. Why? The reason why I'm not going to purchase any new cryptocurrency, even though they're at lows, is again because I don't want to increase my cost basis to a massive amount. And also, if you are investing, if you are not long-term on everything that you own, I mean long-term as in like investing into an ETF or investing into your retirement for 10, 20, 30 years, right? That type of investing. If you're not for that and you're looking to get some quicker gains, if you decide to invest at higher and higher levels, you are doing nothing but hurting yourself, right? Yes, in the end, you could expect to see a lot more, gains, maybe if it gets up to your levels that you want to sell at. However, if that takes longer for a process for that to happen, you're now losing money a lot quicker. And that's not something that I want to get into, a pattern of. I feel like the hardest pattern to break is buying high and selling low. You can buy low and sell high, and that pattern can be broken very, very easily. Just like what we're talking about here today, buying at a $3 or $4 trillion market cap. It doesn't mean that I don't believe it will get to a 10 or 20 or $30 trillion market cap for the entire crypto market. I truly do believe that. But in the process of investing, you have to be able to take some of your profit as you go along. It's just like if you have a building that you buy and you decide to fix it all up, right? And then when you do make money after somebody moves in, you make a bunch of money, you now take that money and you continue to put it back into the building. Eventually, you're going to hit a peak, right? A cap rent that you can have, a cap mortgage that they can have, whatever, right? A cap price that you can sell it for, because the market's not going to call for it. The area that you are building in, the area that you are fixing it up is not going to call for it. But if you keep putting money into it, you're now essentially have a chance to lose money because you're not going to be able to get the value back for how much you put in there. Does that make sense? So that's the issue that I have right now. And it's fairly simple. It's not anything that's overly complicated. I'm not buying any new cryptocurrency to hold for forever at the moment. The only thing I can say that I'm constantly buying is my $10 worth of CRO every single day, and then also leverage trading on the side with BTCC. Speaking of leverage trading, again, if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, that link is down below in the description. You can get a 10% deposit bonus as well as extra bonuses and 40% lower trading fees. But let me know if you're deciding to buy crypto right now. Are you new to cryptocurrency? If you're new to cryptocurrency, then this could be your opportunity to buy in at a lower price than what the 3.7 or $3.8 trillion market cap is, right? So it gives you a little bit of an opportunity, but it by far is not the lowest point that you could possibly be at, meaning that you still have a longer road to gain some of the same levels that a lot of other people are gaining. So anyways, let me know what you guys are doing in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll try and clean up the comment section as much as I can. But these scammers and spammers, I don't know why YouTube hasn't gotten a hold of this yet, or a handle on this yet, because it's honestly ridiculous. If they see the same thing spammed over and over again, they need to find a way to get rid of those things, or at least make them reviewable. And if I go into it and say, I want to review this and I want to look at it, because yes, if we're talking about XRP, we're going to have a lot of people that mention XRP in the chat. But if we're not talking about whatever other position they have there, it makes no sense for them to have 7,000 comments with that one scam position that continues to come up. Anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.